Introducing PIR motion sensor based light switching. Here we reduce power consumption using PIR sensor. The sensor switch can detect the infrared rays released by human body. The light or any other electrical appliances can be activated automatically by active presence of human body within the detection range. When there is no presence, light will be deactivated automatically. Our circuit supplies power to the lamp when motion is detected, otherwise it remains in off condition.
So here is a PIR motion sensor which can detect the human radiations up to 9 micrometer wavelength. Here we use the IC which is called as BIS0001, and here are the two potentiometers with which we can adjust the time delay and the distance delay of the PIR motion sensor. With one we can increase the time delay by rotating it in anti-clockwise and other in a clockwise manner, and we can adjust the distance as well as the time delay. Here is the three pins. The middle pin is called as the output pin, the last pin is called as the VCC, and this pin is called as the ground. So basically PIR motion sensor divided into two halves. When there is no motion, both halves remains in the same state, means both sense the same level of infrared. As soon as somebody enters in the first half, the infrared level of one half becomes high, and thus the output of 5 volt is given to the transistor, and motion is as soon as the motion is sensed, and this causes PIR to react and makes the output pin high. Pyroelectric sensor is covered by a plastic cap which is called as a Fresnel lens. It is used to focus the infrareds on the inner material. It has a wide range of almost 180 degree. PIR takes some time to stable itself according to surrounding conditions, so you can turn on the bulb randomly for about 10 to 60 seconds. Now when we find the bulb blinking, whenever there is any motion, look back of the PIR, you will find a jumper with two modes of triggering. One is a non-repeatable triggering and another is a repeatable triggering. When the outer corner pin and the middle pin, that is it is outer corner pin and the middle pin are connected, then this is called as the L position, and in this position bulb will blink continuously until there is motion. Now if connect this jumper between the inner corner and the middle pin, then bulb will stay on all the time till there is any motion. This one is called repeatable triggering, and the jumper is said to be in H position.
Now, our circuit contains PIR sensor, relay, transistor BC547, a freewheeling diode, power supply, and bulb. Working of each component. Transistor. It is used as a switch. When output of PIR becomes high, it produces sufficient voltage to make transistor on. It energizes the coil of relay. Relay is an electromagnetic switch which is controlled by small current, and it is used to on and off relatively much larger current. It is used to isolate the AC circuit from the DC circuit. A freewheeling diode. It is used to eliminate flyback, which is the sudden voltage spike seen across an inductive load when its supply voltage is suddenly reduced or removed.
This is the circuit for PIR motion sensor detecting project. It contains a PIR motion sensor, relay, freewheeling diode, BC547 transistor, and a bulb. Whenever the motion is detected by the PIR motion sensor, the output of this sensor we can see is connected to the base of the transistor. Hence, whenever it sends the motion, the output pin becomes high, which applies the triggering voltage to the base of the transistor. Transistor get on and current started flowing through the coil. Coil in relays get energized and create electromagnetic field which attracts the lever COM and NO together, which will connect to the which will connect together, and hence the bulb will on. In this way, the PIR motion sensor detects the motion and the circuit works. Now we can increase or decrease the on and off period of the PIR motion sensor by applying L or H triggering, and in our circuit we have used L triggering. Now further we will see the working of the PIR motion sensor detecting project. Now since we have applied L triggering mode, we can see whenever the motion is detected by the PIR motion sensor, the bulb is continuously getting on and off for 3 seconds. Now applications for PIR motion sensor.
Now we see applications. It can be used in corridors, living rooms, malls, ATMs, changing room in shop, offices, conference room, and many more.
Hence, in this way, we can save the power using this beautiful project. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Guided.